Hello, today I'm going to show you how to open and close your car hood of your Dacia Sandero Stepway. Let's open the driver's side door and have a look on the left side of your pedals. There's a lever. There's a lever you have to pull until you're hearing a click sound, and this is the lock. Now your car hood is unlocked, and let's go to the Dacia sign on the front side, and there it is. There's a mechanism to open it by pushing it left turn. As you can see, there it is. The mechanical is use it left turn, then push it up, and as you can see, there are one spring to hold this car hood in position. To close, only place it 20 centimeters above, and as you can see now, you have to push it down. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.